Can you believe it's been over 10 years since the Cove in Waikiki was built? It was built in the year 2015, and what we're gonna do today is a little video that I've done for some other buildings in town, such as Capitol Place, Waihonua, and Io and Kaka'ako, and One Ala Moana. And what we do in these segments is we talk about what's happened, say, over the past 10 years in general since the place was built, and what's happened with appreciation for the specific units. And we're gonna play a little guessing game. So here at Cove Waikiki, there's only 117 units, so it's a boutique building in Waikiki, kind of tucked back behind Hobron Lane. It's in an epic location. Right around the corner from here is the Ilikai and the Hilton, and $1 billion resort there at the Hilton, and then you're just a few blocks in the other direction to get to Ala Moana. So 117 units total, like I'd mentioned, and between all of those, there is a mix of 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, and 2 bedroom, 2 baths. Can you guess which one has done the best over all these years? I'll give you some hints here. It has to do with supply and demand. There's significantly more 2 bedroom, 2 baths than any other product in the complex here, and there's going to be other variables at play, because some of them come with more than 1 parking, and some I've seen can have as many as 3 or more stalls. So that's going to factor into play on pricing here as well. Those are some outstanding variables. And if you're curious what a parking stall is worth, I did a video on that recently here to see what a parking stall is worth here in Honolulu. You can check that link out. And let me flip this around. So of the 117 units here at the Cove Waikiki, there are 74 of them that were 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom units. And of those 74, the average appreciation from the year 2015 was 16%. And then there were 16 units that were 2 bedroom, 1 baths, and they had an average appreciation of 28%. And then last but not least, the 1 bedrooms had 27 units total for an average appreciation of 21%. So the winner was actually the 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom product here at Cove Waikiki. So it's done the best over the past decade. Who knows what's going to happen going forward, but that's a summary of Cove Waikiki. And here at Cove Waikiki, this is a collaboration of some reputable local developers such as Forum Partners, US Pacific, and Ledcor was the contractor. They've done a great job here at Cove Waikiki. And if you have more questions about Cove Waikiki or other buildings here in Waikiki, I'd love to help. I can be reached at 808-371-3509. Mahalo and have a great day.